Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that short little bash there. I hope the audio is not too bad. All I have is my GoPro out here today. I mainly wanted to try to put the SMT10 through its paces today and see if it had any more weaknesses that I could cover. And it definitely does. The lower links are definitely a weak point. I didn't video each time that I had problems with them. I'm pretty sure I changed out the rod ends about 3 or 4 times just in this short little session today. A lot of you know I went with the silicone putty in the diffs in the front and rear to try to mimic a locked situation. After driving it like that for a while now, I think I'm gonna go back to an open diff in the front, probably with a medium oil, probably around a 60K or something like that. I feel like the silicone putty's limiting my steering way too much. Speaking of steering, I don't know if I was able to catch it on video, but the truck seems to kind of steer right whenever it wants to. I'm thinking the video might help me find the culprit to that problem. Even with those few problems, the truck's still a blast to drive. It's all about getting out here and having fun. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. As always, thanks again for watching. Peace.